Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be cooking braised pork with preserved vegetable.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright.
Make sure the water is cold before putting in the meat. Remember to sift the scum or meat foam from the surface, otherwise it'll affect the taste of the meat. Let simmer on medium-low heat for 40 minutes. While the meat is cooking, we'll prepare the accompanying vegetable dish. Wash the dried preserved vegetable until all of the sand and dirt has been washed out.
Your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me?
Add the washed veg to the pan, frying it until it's as dry as possible. This is so it can properly absorb the marinade later. Now we'll be preparing the meat marinade.
Took you out and showed you the city. How would you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me.
The cooking wine is incredibly important and necessary in order to bring out the full flavor. Set aside when done. Okay, so it's been 40 minutes and the meat is fully cooked. So the purpose of poking holes is to ensure that the skin maintains a nice and crisp texture when being fried. Add soy sauce and rub all over the freshly poked holes. Be careful not to get hit by splashback from the oil. Once the skin has been fried to a light golden yellow, remove meat from pan and soak it in the broth made from boiling the meat. Dip the meat into the marinade we prepared earlier. Ensure that every slice is coated evenly. Now for the easiest step, plating. Put the meat into a bowl however you want. Take the veg we dehydrated earlier and place it in the marinade, mixing until it's fully absorbed. Then place it on top of the meat. The reason we add the foil is to keep too much moisture from building up while steaming. Cover and let steam for 90 minutes. And with that, your dish is ready to serve. Enjoy!